How to make andouille sausage with red beans and rice. You will need 3 to 4 stalks of celery, diced, 1 large bell pepper, diced, 1 large onion, diced, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 cup of basmati rice, dry, 2 cups of beef broth, 2 cans of red beans, rinsed, andouille sausage, green onions, diced, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and Cajun seasoning. Here's a quick breakdown of the prices. The total cost of those ingredients is about $20, but keep in mind that the entirety of the ingredients showed on the screen are not used. So step 1, we need to dice the celery. Step 2, we need to dice the bell pepper. Dice the onion. Dice the green onion. Cut the sausage. Rinse the red beans and set aside. Turn the burner to medium-high. Add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the sausage. Turn sausage occasionally until brown. Then set aside. Now in that same pan, we'll add onions. We'll stir these until they're browned. We'll add celery and bell pepper to this mixture. Let this saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the garlic. Then we'll add the tomato paste. We'll stir this. Add rice. And we'll let this toast for 60 to 90 seconds. Add the Cajun seasoning. Then we'll add 2 cups of our beef broth. And we'll cover this up, and we're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes. And that's how you make andouille sausage with rice and red beans.